This is welcome to a video by Abron. This is ophthalmoscope where we have the direct ophthalmoscope. The parts are, this is a viewing window. Here you can view. In this there is a magnification which comes out to 1 diopter to 20 diopter, and this movement is there. You can see inside this inside you can see the scale moving is there. Colors you can see, and in here the optics will change. If you see with the optics, if the optics will change and the magnification will automatically change. Here you can put the two cells, chargeable or non-chargeable battery cells, double A cells, torch cells are put. The one you close it after this putting, and then there is a one switch here on, and there is one position here. You can see this is off position and this one is on position, and then there is a, you can open this also and change bulbs, knobs. Very easy to use. You hear almost doctors know how to use it in the department teaching. We can supply you these items, or we have got the different models which are chargeable, non-chargeable, Heinz, and different models are available with us. This is for institution use, for demonstration, and for teaching purpose in nursing college, medical college. Ophthalmoscope is there. Please visit the website, and these are the parts: viewing window, filter switches, and there is a, in this one dial is there. The dial tells you the diopter, how much is the diopter. From the bottom also, this is the same one. You can see and visit the website. Please visit the website, and Abron01 send us an Gmail, or visit the website www.abronexports.com and subscribe to our channel. Different items are available for all medical college teaching colleges. Thank you very much.